In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Hostinger subscription and get a refund in 2025. Whether you're looking to switch hosting providers or perhaps you no longer need hosting services, this guide will walk you through the cancellation process smoothly and efficiently. First things first, you'll need to access your Hostinger account. Open up your preferred web browser and go to the Hostinger website. Make sure you're logged in. If you're not already signed in, enter your email and password. It's important to ensure you log into the correct account associated with the subscription you want to cancel. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of the screen. Find the Account Information section. This is your go-to area for managing various aspects of your Hostinger account. Click on this section to access more options about your account settings. Scrolling through the options, you will see a variety of settings. Here, you need to look for Delete Account. While this might feel a bit intense, this step is necessary to initiate the cancellation process fully. Be aware that this action will cancel all active services under that Hostinger account. If you need to keep some services, consider reaching out to Hostinger support for specific guidance. After clicking Delete Account, you should see a prompt confirming your decision. Hostinger might ask you for confirmation a couple of times. This repeated confirmation helps prevent accidental deletion, which, as you can imagine, can become quite an inconvenience. Take the time to review the details in these pop-ups to ensure everything is clear and accurate to what you intend to cancel. The next thing to consider after canceling your account is securing your refund. For this, you will need to contact your bank directly. Hostinger's refund policies can vary, so reaching out to your bank can provide more direct assistance in processing any due refunds. Have your transaction details, like the date and the amount, handy when calling your bank. This will help speed up the customer service process. Remember, cancellation processes can sometimes take a few days, so a little patience can go a long way. If you run into any trouble during these steps, don't hesitate to reach out to Hostinger's customer support. They're available to help resolve issues and ensure your account is handled correctly. And there you have it, a simple, guided approach to canceling your Hostinger subscription and pursuing a refund. Hopefully, this guide has empowered you with the knowledge you need to manage your Hostinger account confidently. Keep yourself tuned in for more helpful guides like this one, and as always, thank you for watching.